Hi, my name's Eric, and in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing/testing the Zoom U22 audio interface. In the box, you'll get the USB audio interface, a USB cable, a couple of manuals, and a free trial to Ableton Live Lite if you're into that sort of thing. The Zoom U22 is a 2-in, 2-out, 24-bit, 96 kHz audio interface. It has one mic preamp that can provide up to 48 volts of phantom power, a high Z input combined with the XLR input, a dedicated headphone jack, RCA output that can be sent to a mixer, and a line input that, according to the box anyway, is for recording an iOS synth. Now that the stuff on the box is out of the way, one cool thing about this interface are there are so many ways to power it. It can be powered over a micro USB cable, 2 AA batteries, or bus power, assuming the device it's plugged into supports bus power. Overall, I'm excited to use this more and get a feel for the durability of it on the road. I really enjoy the size of this, all the switches and connectors feel solid. I enjoy the sound of Zoom's preamps. It's completely made of plastic, which is a positive in my book, less susceptible to drop damage, lighter weight in the backpack. Overall, for $100, it's hard to go wrong with the Zoom U22 audio interface. And on that note, new videos every Sunday. See you next time.